reason why you never come and do anything. We never really want you to do anything, but you couldn't come and show a little condolence and say, Grandma, you know what? I understand, and I did analyze your grandson weeks ago or something. But when you sit down with people that disrespect you, that means you're fake. You're never real. That's why you ain't hope to see busted in 2025, because you know you're not going to see him. Because you can't see things like me, you know. You can't see things too like me, because me hear them bigger fuck. So me can't see far. Believe. On July 23rd, my born man. Still I say a birthday for me. Me a powerful youth. You hear me tell her? Believe. Me can't see things. Here? Me no want she feel like she can't style off of me. You can't look no clout off of me like how you try to look clout off of some people. Because let me tell you something. Me, I miss steam. I'm afraid you know no steam, you know no team, so you know no fire. It's going in time there. When boss said if you call me on my WhatsApp and say Gotti, some people in my box are try to style off of me, can't diss them because I'm a diss that. I meet these people. You hear me tell her? Me. Yeah man, Nicki Minaj, you talk about go. You think go. You go. Go. I swear to God, Pops YG, me see you. And condolence, dog. Because you come a funeral, come take up all concrete, and it two we in a white, and we never business. Because we not cherish luxury. Because everything come and go.